Making heatmap from Pandas DataFrame. I have a DataFrame generated from Python's Pandas package. How can I generate heatmap using DataFrame from Pandas package?
You want matplotlib.pcolor. This gives
For people looking at this today, I would recommend the Seaborn heatmap, as documented here. The example above would be done as follows. Where %matplotlib is a Python magic function for those unfamiliar.
Useful SNS.heatmap API is here. Check out the parameters, there are a good number of them. Example.
If you don't need a plot per se, and you're simply interested in adding color to represent the values in a table format, you can use the style.background_gradient method of the Pandas data frame. This method colorizes the HTML table that is displayed when viewing Pandas data frames in e.g. the JupyterLab notebook, and the result is similar to using conditional formatting in spreadsheet software. For detailed usage, please see the more elaborate answer I provided on the same topic previously and the styling section of the Pandas documentation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.